Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to set up the defaults for the view cube in the upper right hand corner for Fusion 360. So in the upper right hand corner we have the view cube. There are two different orientations with Z up or with Y up. Oftentimes Z up can make sense because you're working on a mill where your z-axis is vertical, and so your xy plane then is down on the lower, is on that flat plane, and then your negative direction is for x is towards you, and positive y is back and to the right. However, a lot of times it'll be defaulted to the Y vertical, and so a lot of the tutorials also that I've created are with a Y up orientation. So today I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to talk about how to change that temporarily as well as permanently. So to change it permanently, you can go ahead and go up to your preferences and click on preferences. That launches the dialog box for the preferences. And there we have some options. If you go into the general settings and then look over at the default modes. So here, default modeling orientation, Z is up right now. So if I go ahead and I click on the drop down, I can set it to Y is up, apply, and click OK. Now this won't change the first drawing that I've got. However, if I close the drawing and it creates a new untitled, well then the block is going to be with the Y up and the Z towards us and the X in the back right. So that is one way that you can change it. And if I want, I could go ahead and change it back. Preferences. Then set it to default orientation Z up. Click apply, OK, and then the next time I make an untitled doc, it's going to go ahead and switch that over. Now, if you want to change this for one time and then go back to it in the future ones, so that it's just for a single change of orientation, you can also do it manually by resetting the home and the front view. So to reset the front view, one way you can do is go ahead and click on the front, then click on this arrow at the top to rotate it around. Now with the top, I'm going to right click and then go down to the second to last one, set current view as front. Now that the view is on the front, I'm going to go ahead and click in the upper right hand corner to get my front corner towards me. Then I'm going to right click again, go to the fourth from the bottom, set current view as home, fit to view. And now it's set up so that it is front, forward and to the left, right, forward and to the back, with top up, Y at the top, Z pointing towards the bottom left, X pointing towards the bottom right. And now when we create our sketches, it'll match the tutorials. That's it. Have a great day.